How to fix DM glitch on Instagram. The first things first is we'll have to make sure that you are currently running or using the latest version on Instagram. You simply go to your Play Store and go to search, type in Instagram. Now by here you should be able to know if your Instagram needs an updating because there will be a visible update button that's going to be there. All you have to do to update it is just simply tap on it and it will automatically work by itself. Now, after updating the app, and if it's still not resolving the problem, then all you have to do is to go to your Instagram icon, tap and hold it, and then go to the eye icon right there. Now, the reason why we're here is because we are doing a clear data and clear cache for this application because there might be bugs and cracks that is currently ongoing with this application here. So to do so, just go to clear data and make sure that you do both of these options like clear all data and clear cache. You'll have to do it one by one. So clear all data first and afterwards clear cache. So once everything is set, just rerun your Instagram application, go back and log into your account, and you are good to go afterwards. So that's it. That's how you can fix DM glitch on Instagram.